In this video, we'll be using the point-slope form to find the equation of a line. Our problem is to use the point-slope form to find the equation of the line whose slope is -1/3 and passes through the point -2, 5. Then we're asked to write the equation in general form. Now our point-slope form, remember, is y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. So from our information in our problem, we know that m is a -1/3. So this is m, and it'll be inserted into the point-slope form in place of m. We also know that the x and the y are variables, so we'll leave those alone. But we do know then that this is my point. This is x1 and this is y1. So our equation now, I'm going to leave the y alone. It's y, subtract, and then in place of y1, I'll put in the 5. And then the x is the variable, so I'll leave that alone. Subtract, and then in place of x1, I'll put in -2. Now I just need to simplify this a little bit and then write it in general form. The minus minus here is the same as plus, and let's distribute this -1/3. So I have y minus 5 equals -1/3 times x is a -1/3 x, and then -1/3 times a +2 is a -2/3. Now for general form, we're not allowed any fractions, so I'm going to go ahead and multiply through by 3 at this point so I don't have to deal with those fractions. So I now have 3y minus 15 equals, the 3 cancels with this one in the denominator, and I have just a -x, and this 3 cancels with the 3 in the denominator, and then -2. Right? For general form, I want everything on one side with the x coefficient positive, so I'm going to move these terms to the left. So I'll add x to both sides, and I'll add 2 to both sides. These cancel, and I now have x plus 3y. -15 and a +2 is a -13, and that's equal to 0. And there's my general form.